The method for this exercise is just to stand next to the tree, feet shoulder width distance apart, and relax. The more relaxed you are, the better. Then place your hands on the tree, and the best position for this is to position them facing downwards rather than raised, as it's much easier to discharge using gravity to help you. Then think of the whole pathway. So you're going to be thinking from dantian up through the chest to the shoulders, down the arms to the hands. And imagine this pathway is unimpeded. And now think of any sick chi or the diseased area. Inhale to dantian and combine the dantian chi with the sick chi. And induce that sick chi and dantian chi mixture up to the shoulders, using your mind and pushing it down to the hands. And at this point, you probably feel a different sensation in your hands as your mind is focusing on the sick chi being brought into the hands. This sick chi can produce discomfort, prickling, warmth, coolness, or heaviness. And once the chi has reached the hands, then exhale quickly through the nose. Think of the whole palm of the hand getting rid of the sick chi. Repeat this until you feel the sick chi has left your hands. So for this exercise, the main focus is on the exhalation and really getting that feeling of discharging through the palms of the hands. If you're struggling to discharge through the hands, you can discharge through any method possible. So some people even lean up against the tree, or they'll place their face against the bark of a tree in order to get rid of it that way.